All right, my people. This is your boy, Mr. Bennett here. Yeah, you know what thing, right? Learning our thing, right? You don't have to be maths, don't. No, you don't have to be maths. All right, so today we're gonna look on the IT June 2020 paper one paper. This is the first IT paper. So I could say we're gonna do some more hour. You know the shapes already, right? Yeah, we just have to put in the work. And everybody are gonna appreciate it because everybody want to learn, don't it? But yet still have to put in the work. So we'll go right into it. Alright, so the first one says, which of the following items are considered as computer hardware? Oh, by the way, people, like the video now. Alright, the video and share it. Alright. Anybody know the IT 2021? Share it. We got Mr. Gill, IT teacher at St. Mary's College, Huggins. Oliver Oxfield, alright? Big up on yourself. St. Mary's College peeps, big up on yourself. Across the Caribbean, big up on yourself. Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. The entire Caribbean. Grenada, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, everywhere, everywhere. Bahamas again, big up on yourself. Jamaicans, big up on yourself. Alright. So you say, which of the following, and if you're the America, big up yourself, see me. Which of the following are considered to be computer hardware, data, programs, output devices, or the operating system? As you can see, it would be the output devices, right? Yeah, so let's circle the letter. So that would be C. All right. Number 2 said data that has been processed as and as meaning is termed. So basically, it say collect some data and put into something meaningful. What would that be? Correct information, right? And we know that these are very basic, so them start you off very nicely, so we can do it, you know? Yeah. All right. Number 3 says, which of the following can be termed application software? So notice it says application software. Is it DOS, Linux, Mac OS? No, it would be Internet Explorer. Anybody still use Internet Explorer? Remember, so them boss we, you know. Peeps, like the video now. We just a join, like the video. Yeah. So Bennett here. IT 2021. 2020 people, right? Multiple choice. And we are done it today, right? Alright. And we are take with time. We not rush it, you know. Learning should not be rushed. It's like a chef, right? Top chef. Them not rush them meal, you know. Take them time and go through them things. Alright. Which of the following activities would not, notice the keyword, would not be considered a cloud storage? Cloud. Everybody I use cloud now. Data stored on remote servers, or is it B, data stored and accessible on a LAN, or is it C, data backup and storage devices on the internet, or D, data managed by storage providers or hosting companies? So basically it would be B. All of these except B. Let's go to number 5. Will this be? All right. So it says, which of the following could not? Notice the keyword again, guys. In exam, it's very important to look at the keyword. Which of the following could not be classified as a cloud-based application? Is it Gmail? Everybody have Gmail though, so you must know that, right? Dropbox. I was first introduced to Dropbox when I was a office clerk. So we know the Dropbox is something. And Google Drive, probably the most popular one. So that leaves us with D. And that is the Windows operating system. So people don't know some say no IT, you know, pick up on yourself. St. Mary's College, me attend, you know. What you feel like? Alright, so number 6 now. Pick up everyone across Jamaica. All of the high schools then, yeah. Channel are growing up peeps, just watch. So number 6 says the lights in a room turn on as soon as persons enter. which input device, notice it's an input device, most likely control the lighting room. Notice the keyword, most likely. So that would be sensor, right? So we know sensor, because we have the sensor light, you know. We're not fool. Yeah, we used to it. Number 7 now. Which of the following devices is used to input data into the computer? Is it A, squeaky mouse, B, monitor, C, a USB flash drive, or is it D, an external hard drive? So as far as the input device, right away we know it's A, right? Mouse. Another teeth in mouse, you know. You know, when the mouse get some poison for them. Alright guys, like the video now if you're just a giant. Welcome to the man. Leave some comments to man. Like the video. As a math teacher, I got you IT paper and just because I care about you guys so much. Next year, may I add accounts to it. May I add geography, physics, all of the subjects them. English language, big up on yourself. When I know the competition, you know. Alright. For which of the following interface types is the user required to remember specific instructions and syntax? So again, guys, we have to look for the keywords, right? And it says now specific instructions, right? So think about it. If I give somebody specific instructions, is it menu driven? No. Graphical user? No. Computer screen? No. But the command, you command it, all right? So number 8 would be D. Scroll down to number 9. We're going on good so far. Thanks for the likes, guys. Thanks for the like. Like the video now, you people. All right, number 9. The most suitable, and you see the globe, something up at top, the globe up at top. The most suitable printer for creating the model of the globe is, we know what's the globe to be a 3D printer, right? We don't need to go through all of these, the laser, the inkjet, or the thermal, right? Because it would be the 3D. So let's go down to number 10. So number 10 says, the RP secondary school wants administrative staff to have access to all the students and teacher data, right? So notice it's just teacher and administrative staff and student and teacher, right? So which of the following network would be the most suitable? Notice now, guys, the keywords, all of these are legitimate, right? But the most suitable one. All right. So LAN, it would be LAN, a local area network. So number 10 is D. All right. Let me see number 11. The symbol represents, oh Lord, we know that. The Wi-Fi is sitting there. Yeah. Big up on yourself, people. Big up, but right, you see how me I do. Hotspot me, I must see your hotspot me I use. So that's B. Number 11 would be B. All right. Let us look at number 12. Unauthorized real-time interception of a private communication on a computer network is referred to as, is it a propaganda? No, if I want to spread propaganda, you know, if you stop it. People like the video, no, man. Identity theft. No, so not thief my identity, you know, because I don't want to be me. Or is it industrial espionage? Or is it electronic eavesdropping? So it wouldn't be industrial espionage, that's like when a thief. So it would be electronic eavesdropping. Because remember now, guys, it says that it has been real time. Right? So you eavesdrop on somebody's conversation. And we know that term there. One thing with computer, there are certain terms that is gonna guide you into the answer. All right, number 13. Double entry data verification involves Guys, I had to go on the internet and look up this one. All right. So number 13, is it different data entered once? No. If that is a double, so we can eliminate all of the single one, right? The data entered being copied to another device. No. Different data entered once by two different persons. No. Same data entered once, then we entered by another person. So that one is D. And as I said, I had to do a little research on this one. And that's the power of research, guys. The power of research. Guys, please like the video if you're just joining. Yes, it's IT paper. The first IT paper that is being done on my channel, and it's the last exam that was done, I think. No, like, yeah, past 2020. I don't know if there's a reset for IT. But anyway, let's go to number 14. Part of a private network using internet technology and public telecommunications can be accessed by business suppliers, vendors, customers, and partners is called, is it an internet? No. Is it B, an intranet? No. Is it C, an extranet? So this would be our answer, guys. So that is C. All right. Let us see if you guys know of something you know the size them. Which of the following shows an increase in computer memory capacity? Is it A, from terabyte to gigabyte to megabyte? No. Is it from gigabyte to kilobyte to megabyte? No. Is it from megabyte to terabyte to gigabyte? No. Or is it from megabyte to gigabyte to terabyte? So D would be our answer. You guys should know that megabyte, from megabyte to gigabyte, right? You guys know that based off our movie, right? A movie take up about 700 megabytes and so forth. And a game like FIFA, everybody play, take up like 8 gigabytes. So we know a good thing, you know, man. One thing with IT, guys, it's realistic. It's very realistic. It's not like maths where certain things are, you know, it's not, you don't use in your everyday life. All right, 16 says, which of the following function is performed by a modem? Everyone should know what is a modem, right? And a modem, is it analog and digital? Yes, it is. I mean, when nobody put digital and upload in an analog and download and upload. No, it's analog and digital. In the URL http blah 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 shoes.com shoes.com stand for, is it an extension? I couldn't boy out a road bus. Or is it a domain name? Is it the company name or the internet company? So guys, we're not gonna waste some time. It's the domain name, right? All right. Number 18 says, just the right thing. How I go on? Don't do this to me, JPS. Transferring data from a remote computer to your computer is referred to as, is it browsing, uploading, data mining, or is it D, downloading? Everyone should know that. These are very simple. Soon we show up on the hard ones, I guess. Which of the following types of technologies is commonly used by banks to read data on checks? Is it a point of sale? Is it an optical character reader? Or is it optical mark reader? Or is it D? It would be D. Somebody type what the abbreviation for MICR means. Somebody do that fast. 20. Let me see if you know IT, because sometimes they can ask that, you know, You can ask you what is OCR, right? And you have to tell them. And you can ask you what is OMR, or they can ask you what is POS point of sale. You see me? Alright. So 20 now. Which of the following operations is considered a feature of a biometric system? Anybody want to take on that one? All right. I remember my principal was saying that when he used to work at a certain school, they used to do that, and it's matching fingerprints. Guys, you know, if you know them something, you know, technology, it around the world, and you guys are coming around the world. All right, guys, if you're just joining, please like the video, share it on your WhatsApp status, share it on your Facebook, share it on your gram. Guys, just help me to help people to learn, please. I'm begging you. It's very important to me. I want to be a agent of change. That's what my friend Stephen Foster said. I am an agent of change and growth and all of these things. All right, so we are at what? 21. He said telecommuting can be best described as A, using the computer while commuting. No, sir, joking that. Using the telephone while commuting. No, joking. Working from home by connecting home and office. And we have a winner. So basically, guys, it's like you're working from home, right? And you connect your office to your home, or your computer to your office, right? And you do your thing. Call center workers, bring up on yourself. Some of we have to go do call center work or what? We need to get that degree, and we can pressure with parents, you know. So we can just get a little call center work. Somebody call you monkey. Just go and hold it, man. Just hold it. Nobody quarrel. Just go and hold it. If them this year, just hold it. Take another call. Say thank you for that information, sir. And you move on. We have to know, say, in our life, we are going to face a lot of things. All right? A lot of struggles. Just go and hold it. But guys, it's very important that you help out your parents. All right. In order to use a program stored on a flash drive, the program must be transferred by the, is it the RAM, random, RAM stand for again? Read-only memory, yeah? Or is it RAM, random access memory? So that is B. Guys, you have to know what all of these mean. Somebody type it, what PROM means, what EPROM means. Type it so your colleagues or friends or fellow exam people can see it and know what they do. Pick up on yourself. Can't do everything, all right? So let's go and help me. Leave it in the comment section. And guys, if you have any issues with any of my answers, just leave a comment. And why? Just be respectfully leave a comment. So you don't know the ship's already. All right. Which of the following is not? Let me highlight that. I want people to say, guys, do not rush your paper. Read the keywords carefully. All right. It says which does not. All right. Which of the following is not a hardware component of a computer system? Is it A, data file, main memory, or it's data file? All right. I'm gonna put with no long chat. When it's easy, we're just gonna go through it. You guys just read up and do anything. Which of the following checks is not a validation technique? A, is it range? B, is it inconsistency? Or C, double entry? All right, so that would be C, double entry. Let's move on to 25. I think I want this to take about an hour. Guys, if you're just joining, just watch back the video and like the video, please. Share it to your friends, share it to you shouldn't have no enemies, so I'm not gonna say that. Share it to the friends, share it to the family, share it to everyone, and thanks for joining. All right. Please stay to the end. 25 now. It says the process of scrambling messages at the sending end and unscrambling them at the receiving end is called, is it A, coding, or is it B, encryption, or is it espionage, or is eavesdropping? Guys, everyone should know that's encryption, right? And I have a secret now, we can't talk about. All right, so 26 now. There are many software restrictions used by computers to protect data. Which of the following entities are software restrictions media? Is it A, viruses? Is it B, passwords? Or is it 3, encryptions? Now, virus is a very bad thing. So we're going to exclude the virus. Let us see which one gives us 2 and 3. No virus around here. 2 and 3 only. So that would be C. So 26 is C. Guys, if you have any issue with none of my answers, just let me know in the comment section. If you never know, say I'm a teacher, no IT, pick up yourself same way. All right. Remember, I went to school also. So it's not one subject I go to school to. All right. Pick up my lecturer who sent me this software for do my maths. And see miss, and I'm IT on it, all right? Pick up yourself, miss. Pick up yourself. She know herself. She's a part of my channel, giving me her support. Really appreciate everyone. All right, 27 now. Which of the following devices can be used for both input and output? Input and output. That would be touchscreen, right? Some people are going to think a document reader. All right, 28. Which of the following is true of accessing files sequentially? We got Mickey, my cousin. He was the one who helped me with this one. Big up yourself. Big up University of Technology. Yeah. All right. So which of the following is true for accessing sequential files? Is it occurs in any order? No. Start with the first record. Yes. The first, if that's still sequential. Sequence, right? Yeah, think about it. Sequential. All right, 29. Which of the following is a hardware user interface? Is it GUI, icon, sensor, or is it D, touchscreen? User interface, right? So it's basically like your interface, touchscreen, all right? So 30, so we're halfway there, guys, halfway there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. An official of a company X sell confidential information. Oh my God, sell? That sound like something is, that sound like something, you know, right? This up. And a lot of people doing this. That's why they, an official of a company X sell confidential information about its company to company Y. What is the term used for this type of information misuse? Is it identity theft? No. Is it computer fraud? No. Is it industrial espionage? Yes, it is. So date number 30 would be C, industrial espionage. And guys, this is just some fancy word to put for persons who are being dishonest but you are educated. So because they are educated and you thief, because a thief. You thief the people information and sell the information to money. That is stealing. But because you're bright, normally, because if I work with some big company or whatever, then just find a fancy name to do it and say, all right, so we can work with that, all right? Like the video if you're just joining and watch it back from one, all right? Which of the following are not categorized as a system software? All right, so it's a system software. So that's 31. Is it productivity tools? Yep. So 31 would be that. Guys, I'm not gonna go through. If it's A, I'm not gonna discuss the rest of them. That doesn't make sense. 32 now. Which part of the central processing unit, and I know that the CPU, right, coordinates its activity? Is it A, the register? Is it B, the control unit? Or is it C, the main memory? Or is it D, the arithmetic logic unit? Type in the answer, guys. More and say from the bright. Type in the answer. Type it in. 1 minute. Come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Which of the following, which part of the central processing unit, which is the CPU, coordinates its activities? Is it A, register? Is it B, the control unit? C, is it the main memory? Or D, is it the arithmetic logic unit? All right. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, guys, that is indeed the control unit. Oh, I wish you guys all the best in your exam. So I'm gonna do more to help you guys now. But you don't know the Shep score already. 33 now. Before purchasing a computer, James was given a sheet with the following hardware specification: Intel Pentium 4, 3.6 kHz, 50 RAM, 2 GB, 160 KB, 7,200 RPM. What RPM stand for? Rotations per minute. All right, IMSA rotations per minute, 64-bit, 533 megahertz, or SAT. I don't even know what I want to stand for this. I forgot to look up this after I finish. So that, guys, I do my research. So it says now the word use of the computer is, who wants to take on that one? B, 64-bit. Come on, guys, you must know that. You must know that, right? You cannot use computer right now. No, know about computer. What is? All right, 34. Which type, guys? I want you guys to start typing the answer. That way, YouTube will push it out and make other persons can get the help too. All right. So we are at 34. I want them to and like the video, guys. Like the video, like it. All right. I want YouTube to push it off to students who are doing research and them can get the help. You never know. Probably this can make them pass because they repeat a number of questions. All right. Which of the following interface allows the user to communicate with computer system by keying in instruction? Is it menu driven, graphical user, touch sensitivity, command driven? Right? Say, I think I answered this already. Say, give it a command, right? 35 now. A webmaster is important to the company because he or she is responsible for the company's website. That makes sense, you know? For a webmaster. Woo! Computer is fun. All right, so let's go. It's because this A, we're not gonna go into it too much. All right, 36 now. If you know the answer, just read it. Just go ahead and read. Let me put job 37. If you know it, go ahead, put the answer 36, put the answer. For 37, just put the answer also. Just go ahead and do it. All right, guys, like the video, please. Make some comments so it can go viral and persons who are not seeing it now can get it tomorrow or another day, just because it gone viral. All right, which of the following is an example of a correctly formatted email address? Oh my, come on, guys. We must know that. We must know that. All right. Is it lana.appy@net? Is it at lana.appy.net? Or is it lana@appy.net? Or is it lana@? Come on, everybody knows that. Say C. This one was a giveaway. But these things are very important nevertheless. Which of the following types of software should be used for application that involve repetitive numerical calculations? Is it A, database, B, presentation, or is it C, spreadsheet? We know how the spreadsheet, right? So 37 would be C. All right, 38 now. Somebody answer that one here. Let's leave this in the comment section, guys. It's not hard to type. Selecting or highlighting a paragraph creates a is it a file? B, is it a block? C, is it merge? D, is it document? Go ahead, type it in. All right, thank you guys so much for typing it in. Let's go. So you are indeed correct. If anyone type it in, it's a block. 39 now. Let me just put the options so you guys can see the options. 39, the following formula is located in position B6 of a spreadsheet. So that's B3 plus B4 plus B5, $5. What would be the resulting formula if the initial formula was copied to the position located immediately on the left? Post that answer, guys, and I want you guys, before you answer it, just visualize it. All right, visualize it directly to immediately on the left. All right, so that would give us C. Guys, that you have to visualize. Don't go in an exam, go guess now. Oh Lord, why am I going up there so far? We are at 40. We are 2/3, 67%, guys. You're doing well so far. Let's go. Remember to like the video and share it. All right, this one look, and it's a spooky. In creating a query, a student entered following criteria for the data field. Greater than is equal to the 5th of the 11th, 2017, and less than is equal to the 5th of 14, 2017. So already we can identify if the 14th, so we know so this is the day, right? So the month rather, the month. So it's month. And this would be day. And obviously we know the year, right? So let us see which one now. After the 14th of May, 27 only, from 11th to the 14th of May, 2017, before the 11th of May and after 14th of May, 2017, or between the 14th of May and the 5th of November, 2017. Which is it, guys? Post the answer for me. All right, so it will be C, before the 11th of May and after. All right. Spreadsheet formula use values or labels. Labels are cell address. Value ranges are cell address, or is it values, labels, or cell address? What would be the answer for 41? Is it values or labels? Labels are cell addresses? Or is it value, ranges, or cell addresses? Or is it value, labels, or cell addresses? So 41 is C. All right, let's move on to 42. If you're just joining, just watch back this up, right? All right, let me see now. Which of the following button can be used to fully justify X. Everyone should know that, right? 42, fully justify, right? This to the right, this to the left, so center. So fully. All right, going on well so far. 43, in item 43, refer to the following table containing data on 3 countries, A, B, C, for 2018 and 2019. Let me just scroll down so you can see what's happening. Which of the following types of chart is not, notice the word is not, suitable for representing the data? Already we can see a pie chart, right? We are going to represent that on a pie chart. No, sir. Bar, line, or column. No, but guys, notice the keyword, all right? All right, 45. Going on fine. Remember, type in something. My Premiere is recorded earlier, but nevertheless, type in something, all right, guys? So other people can see. Which of the following sequences of steps is correct for deleting a field in a database? Let me just scroll so everyone can see the options. Which of the following I mean, I see all of the options here, I want you guys to try this one, but I'm just gonna go ahead into it, alright? So this is number 45. Which of the following sequences of steps is correct for deleting a field in a database? 1A, choose the delete row option, select row to be deleted and right click. Open tab in design view, choose yes to confirm deletion. Or is it B, to open the tab in design view, select row to be deleted and right click. Choose the delete row option. Alright, we're now go back, we're now at this. Now forward down this because you see the answer already, alright? Alright, 46. It's a refer to the following database table. So they gave you a table and they say item number, whatever, AMA 20, AMA 40, 35, 40, whatever. Let us see the question now. The database table above shows record sorted by quantity in the ascending order. No, sir. The quantity in ascending order, right? Ascending means from the smallest to the largest. In a reading an ascending order. Because the 30, 40 come before 35. So we can eliminate this. And guys, in exam, just know what you are doing. Think about quantity in descending order. Alright, hold on, let me see them. Bam, 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 bam. That ain't a descending order. Quantity in descending order. What's that? That makes sense. Unless that is. No, the quantity in descending order. Item number in ascending order. Item number. No, sir. That ain't a descending order. Oh, it's D. Item number in descending order. I see there. 50, 40, 30, 20, 50. There you go. So 46 is D. Guys, it's very important to just read through what they're asking. Make sure you check all the possible answers in that case where it's not clear. All right, we have to look at the data of itself. This definition, you can just go ahead and answer because you know the definition. And look for the key terms, all right, guys? All right, 47 now. Which of the following clearly identifies a hyperlink on a HTML document. A, is it a link to an email address? Not A. 1, a link to another web page. And 3, a link to another location within a web page. And first, they say A is 1 and 2 only, B 1 and 3 only, 2, C 2 and 3 only, or D all of the above. Alright, so 1, we know it's email address, yeah, that's a 2, a link to another web, yes, that is right. A link to another location within a web page. So it's all 3, so we go with dog for D. Alright, 48 now. Which of the following is used for executing HTML code? A browser, a parser, no. An assembler, no. That would be an interpreter. So that is D. Almost there, guys. You're almost there. Make sure you like the video. You're just joining, or if you're watching the replay, like the video, please. Just help me, all right? Just help me to help other students. We're almost there. All right, 49. And I want you guys to try this one. Long time we're not trying now. Which of the following, just put D if you think that D, put C or B. You don't have to type out everything. Just say 49 and put the number, all right? Which of the following, no, which security feature offers the least protection of a Word document? The least. You have to look for the keywords, underline them so you don't forget. Least protection for a Word document. Is it restricting editing? That's a good way. So them can't put an edit or read only. Them can't edit nothing. Alright. Adding a digital signature. That's not so bad. I'm going to look for the other option. Encrypting with a password. That is a good one. Saving as a compatible with the approach. A D. I have to go no further. Some foolishness. That's easy to do. Alright. 50 refers to the following spreadsheet, and they give you that, and they say in a B8 it's equal to sum dot, and then it's a no. Let's see what the question says. If the formula in cell B8, me know me stuff, right? So read from letter first. And how much this, you know? How much this? Right? So B8. If I did math, it would be row by column. But basically, then read it column by row. That's all. Alright. If the formula in cell B8 is copied to cell C8, which is this, then the formula in C8 would be, think about it, guys. What would be the formula if you copy that, right? Is it B2, sum of B2 to B6? No. Is it the sum of B3 to B7? No. Is it the sum of C2 to C6? So that would be C, right? Because what happened, the formula would, let me show you something. Spreadsheet is awesome, you know, guys. It would actually calculate this. It is to repeat this, but it is only thing with C, right? So it's going to start from add all of them here from C to this. You add all of them here. So you're getting the sum of this column, all right? So that would give us C. That is maths again. Let me see if I missed something. Alright, guys. No, I didn't miss anything. Let me go 51. Suppose you can finish in the next 5 minutes. If you haven't liked the video as yet, please like the video. Alright, 51 refer to the following algorithm. So read bracket AB, if A less than B, then print A. And then now it says, which of the following tasks does the following algorithm performs? All right, so is it A, read two numbers and print the first number? No, sir. Read two numbers and print the smaller number. Let me see so. Read two numbers and print the first number if it is larger than the second number. Or D, read two numbers and print the first number if it is smaller than the second number. So it's there it says A is the first number. So if A is less than B, it's a print A. So that means D. I have to read through them very carefully, you know, guys. I almost got caught with B. Read two numbers and print smaller number. It's not that. It's a print A. If A is less than B, print A. Never said the smaller number. Smaller number could be B. So we have to reason into it, alright? You can do that soon. Alright, and again, that's mathematics. 52. Which of the following is an example of a conditional construct? So that's what? 52. Which of the following is an example of a conditional construct? If, then, else. Alright. So this is a condition. It's like your mother say, if you go to the shop and flour there, then buy flour. If none is there, else buy rice. Alright, guys. Simple layman term. So it's A. It's a condition. If not this, then do that. You know, like girl give an ultimatum. Yeah. Big up on yourself, all the ladies joining. Big up on yourself. Big up the gentlemen them too. I don't know. Right upon this, you're ambitious, right? Yeah. Alright. When implementing a program, which of the following steps comes after executing? Is it A, linking? Is it B, compiling? Or is it C, maintaining? Or D, interpreting? Somebody put the answer for that for me. Fast. Let's go. We're doing exam in 2 days. Let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Type in the answer first. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute. All right. If you said maintaining, you are indeed correct. All right, guys. Sure, you're gonna remember that one if you see it in exam, which I highly like to think you will see. All right, so let's go up to this one now. Something all right. I usually say something all right, yes, sir. Something all right. I don't see 54. I don't see the number. What's happening? Oh, see there. Which of the following is not, notice the word, guy, is not a high-level programming language? We know it's a C, short, high-level. Java, short. Pascal, short. This now, it's a joke thing compared to those, so it will be D. So let's check 55. Which of the following terms is an invalid variable name? Is it sum, to count, VAT 15, or D count? Guys, put in the answer for 55. Let me see one answer. Which of the following term is an invalid variable name? Is it sum, to count, VAT 15, or D count? All right. Can't wait no longer, guys. More end the premiere. All right. So it's B. All right. Thank you guys so much for reaching so far. Mr. Bennett, really appreciate you guys. Just encourage others to join my channel. It's gonna be super, super, super duper, super, super awesome. Awesome, awesome square. Yo, I have plans for that channel, man. It's gonna go awesome. All right, guys. All right. 56 now. It says the decision box of a program flowchart shows, is it A, link to another page? No, that's a hyperlink. And so test to be carried out, calculations to be done, input and output operators. So let's say the decision box of the decision box. I recommend that one. Decision box. Okay, so it will be B. Test to be carried out. Let's go to 57 now. Let's go. We're near the end, guys. We're near the end. I'm sure this take about an hour, so you guys can watch back and meditate, all right? And thank you guys so much for reaching so far in my video. I hope to upload another video, but it depends on how many likes I get. If you don't like the video, it don't make sense to keep doing videos. Don't, because you dislike it, and I'll be annoying you. A computer programmer is coding an algorithm which calculates the class average for a given exam. He creates a variable called class.avg, which data type should be specified, then declaring this variable. Is it real? Is it integer? Is it boolean, or is it character? So give me the answer for 57, and that would be real. Remember, integer is a set of positive and negative numbers, right? So it will be real. I can get decimal on them. So that's all. All right, let's go to 58. It's a pity we can't see everything from here. So but let's go to 58. I want you guys to just put in the number and put in the answer. All right. Refers to the following algorithm. 1 asks users for length and width. 2, length, width. 3, area, length times width. And 4, area of rectangle is area. Now, it says now, which of the following options in the correct order can be placed to replace 1 and 3 in the algorithm? So let us do, is it read, write prompt, write, read prompt, or the prompt, read, write, or the read, prompt, write? Lord Jesus, this look like stress. I want to hate maths and love IT. I don't know. So basically, let's look at the order. First, you have a prompt here. So this is the prompt. Only one I found here. So 58 would be C. Let's go to 59 now. We're almost there, guys. We can see the finishing line. You see in Bolt lose an 800-meter race. You saw the line. Line take too long to forward. Not like the 100-meter. Ah, boy, you push out that in, my boy. It's a pity you never have your children little faster. So we could have some faster babies running up and down all over in Jamaica. I just flying from Trinidad and Tobago, where I had some curry chicken and rice. You know, that's the two peeps. Me not bad. Yeah. All right, 59. What is the name given to an identifier that always holds the same value? Is it A, constant, B, location, is it C, variable, or is it D, storage? Constant, just like in maths, never, never, never change. So it's the constant. Some people constantly ignore me. Yeah. a man of many talents, you know. So number 60 now, 60, and this will be the final one. Again, guys, you guys were awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to share it on your Instagram page, your everywhere. Just share it to your classmates, share it to your teacher. Make a teacher review it. All right, guys, make it send it to your teacher. Make a teacher review it and say our math teacher did it. Look if he make no error upon this. Look if it good. All right. Send it to your parents, let them see what go on and say I study. Send it to your boyfriend, your girlfriend. That's if you're over the age of 18 now. All right. 60 and the final one refers to the following algorithm. It says write, enterprise, read, price, VAT equal price times 15%, write VAT. Then number 6. Which line contains the processing statement? The processing statement. And them give the options here. Is it 1, 2, 3? Do the process. Which one I tell you to do the process? And that would be C. The price times this. All right. So guys, again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will be uploading more, so make sure your notification on. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing. Big up everybody. Future people, big up yourself. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. Up and about. Big up everybody, all right? All across the Caribbean, all across the world. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out.